We're here with Mark and Susan Binford, my good friend from college at Rollins College, and they've been our hosts for one night that turned into 2 nights. And we're about 4.5 pounds heavier than we got here. Susan has fed us well. They've been a great host.
Training to run a bed and breakfast, I think.
They get 5-star review. We're leaving Williamsport, and there's the Potomac, and this is an aqueduct of the canal. This is the best one I've seen with water in it still. And there's the mule path, but they've tiled it over to make it nice. Goodbye Williamsport and Hagerstown with the Binfords. Left Hagerstown and heading to Little Orleans tonight. Fall number 1 for Bruce, a Joe Biden style fall. The only damage is grass on the end of the handlebar. I just did it to make Paul feel better since he did the same thing yesterday. First flat of the trip, different kind of axle, but we have YouTube.
They've got to push through.
Coming into Hancock, Maryland. This is our campsite in Little Orleans, Maryland. It's a national park, and we were the only ones here all night. It's right on the Potomac. There's my luxurious quarters, and there's Paul's. Oh, there's Paul sticking his head out. Morning, Paul. You can actually drive a car into the hiker-biker sites. You cannot drive a car to. And Paul did find a sock this morning, so that's...
All my socks. In the bottom, an extra horn.
I don't know why I had a horn to begin with. Why would it have an extra horn?
They're really small. So many bears, I might have to use it a lot.
How many bears have we seen so far?
And then this is for washing clothes. It's tied.
Extra bear horn, and the wrong size tubes that we found out in the middle of the trail, miles from civilization. And there's the offshoot of the Potomac River coming to this ramp. And we're the only ones here until a couple construction guys came this morning. They're working on the trail. Looks like tire change number 4. We patched it with my 12-year-old self-adhesive repair kit, and it worked great. We are becoming experts. This is Bill's place, which is supposed to be the classic place on the C&O Canal Towpath, but it appears like they're closed in Little Orleans. Apparently the detour is pretty tough, very up and down hilly and slippery, and everybody's been complaining about it, but it is what it is. We'll get it done. So we've gone close to 10 miles without a single soul. And as Paul pointed out, he's sure we're the first ones on the trail today because
we're collecting the spider webs. We're cleaning the trail of spider webs.
We might have eaten 1 or 2 spiders. We'll never know. We have people. This is the first people we've had. We haven't seen anybody all day.
That's cool, yeah, you're the first one to see.
Okay. Paw Tunnel Bypass continues. Goes up here, keeps going up. We made it to the top. Thank you, Paul, for the assist. Just looking back, it's not very steep at the bend. Front brake is missing a bolt, so it's kind of sketchy. Holy cow, what is that, the Potomac on the left? Here is the Paw Paw Tunnel. I think it's just under a mile wide. They're working on it. Oh, it feels like air conditioning. Well, I guess we know the tunnel's not very deep since that truck's driving through it.
Yeah, we could have rode this. It's not that dark. Oh, that's right, he's got headlights.
So I just finished a nice lunch here in Paw Paw. Everybody that walked in the store knew his name. He's been the mayor 4 times. So he's the baby in the family.
I'm the baby.
92.
92 and you're the baby.
I'll be 93 and he's 95.
I'll be 95 January the 9th.
And I hear they call you Boozer?
I did not earn it because I was too young to buy it. I was born in this little town and I've lived here my entire life. I was mayor back in the 50s, 4 different terms, but not consecutive.
And was your little brother proud of you when you were mayor?
He's never been proud of me.
He's going to start being proud now either.
That's the truth.
I've been here for 92 years in March, May the 12th.
Okay.
I told you, it used to be a big store right there.
That was my first job.
After they had to shut down.
Thanks again. I appreciate you guys talking to me.
Eldridge Kern.
Mike,
Kern.
a friend of his.
What's your name, little brother?
Papa. They called me Papa at the time I was 7 years old.
Pop. Okay.
He outlived his wife, married 56 years.
I was married 71 plus years. Wow.
Well, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for being the mediator. You keep these two apart, right?
Yeah, that's a hard job.
He's right.
Have around the campfire, and this is what the fireball looks like after a fireball mud. Like a mudslide. So here's my solar charger. Kind of got a little bit of mud. 20.5 miles to go. cliff is pure shale, just falls apart when you look at that. See this deer looking right at us? So we're at lock 75. Pretty well preserved block house. They all started looking alike, but we're coming to the end. Coming to the last 5 miles or so to Cumberland, which will be the end of the C&O Canal Towpath, and then the Great Allegheny Passage starts right from there. The canal, I thought, disappeared into the railroad tracks, but now it's popped out on this side. There's the trail end signs. There is his solar, that's Paul's solar, and there's mine.
Mine's still working.
And there's the canal boat.